just a bit of a follow-up on the coaching situation. From where we stand, we understand you were brought in by Coach Nabi. How does it feel that the person who brought you in is no longer there? Does he feel betrayed or you feel lost without him?
But you asking a question and answering it. No, Benjamin, you can't do that. Coach, try to answer.
I've known Coach Nabi for a couple years. I have worked with him, and as him and me, we know the situation of the coaching job. Today, he's not here, and I'm pretty sure that he will be proud that we continue where he left off, and we bring the club to where it belongs.